Today we're going to be discussing some general maintenance tips and setup uh, tips for setting up your Perfecta Q36 printer from VeriQuest. Now, what you're going to want to do is when you're setting up your machine, you're going to want to go to Menu. Once you get into Menu, you're going to want to scroll down until you get to Settings. You're going to click Settings, and you're going to go to General. Once you're in your General Settings, the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure your date and time are accurately set up. So you click date and time, and you're going to set it to your time zone. You can set the proper date and the time as well. Then once your date and time are accurately set up appropriate to your time zone, you're going to go back and you're going to enter in the energy settings. Now the first step in your energy settings is you're going to want to assign your sleep timer. You don't want your machine to turn off automatically after a short period of time, so you want to set that to the longest period of time available, which is 1 hour. Once your sleep time is set to 1 hour, you're going to make sure that the auto shutdown is turned off. And the reason for this is because the Q36 will run maintenance cycles on its own automatically, and you're going to want to ensure that it is not turned off at that time. To ensure that your maintenance cycles are run appropriately before school starts, you're going to want to ensure that it is set at a time such as 6 a.m. This would ensure that the maintenance cycle is completed before the school day starts. And once again, that's for the turn on cycle. You're going to want to make sure that that starts at 6 a.m. or before your school day starts. You're going to want to make sure that is on at 6 a.m. and you're going to want to ensure that the turn off schedule is not set, because if the machine is turned on and it is left on to run its maintenance cycles, this ensures that your print head has lasting longevity, as well as your ink maintains a premium quality throughout the lifespan of the product. Once you're done in the energy settings, you're going to want to go back to General. You're going to back out of General, and you're going to go into your network settings. We recommend that you set up your Q36 to connect to whatever device, whether that's your personal laptop, your personal PC, or the VeriQuest Design Center 2300. We recommend that you connect using the Wi-Fi Direct setting. And how to do that is you're going to go down, you're going to select Wi-Fi Direct, and you're going to ensure that it is turned on there. And then once your Wi-Fi Direct is turned on, you can go to your personal computer, you can go to your VeriQuest Design Center unit, and connect in the settings of the printer settings of the device by just locating the name of the printer. Once that is done, you can go back out, all the way back to the main menu, and now your Q36 is now set up to run standard maintenance cycles.